Unit 4. Tape script 4.1.
Living room. Sofa. DVD player. Armchair. Bookshelves. Mirror. Kitchen. Cooker. Fridge. Table. Oven. Washing machine. Street. Bus stop. Post office. Cafe. Pavement. Chemists. Traffic lights.
Tape script 4.2. A flat to rent.
Here's a flat in Queen's Road.
Is it nice?
There's a big living room. And there are 2 bedrooms.
Great. What about the kitchen?
There's a new kitchen.
Wow. How many bathrooms are there?
There's just 1 bathroom.
Is there a garden?
No, there isn't a garden.
It doesn't matter. It sounds great.
Tape script 4.3.
Is there a shower?
Yes, there is.
Is there a fridge?
Yes, there is.
Is there a dining room?
No, there isn't.
How many bedrooms are there?
2.
How many bathrooms are there?
1.
How many armchairs are there?
2.
Are there any pictures?
No, there aren't.
Are there any bookshelves?
Yes, there are.
Are there any carpets?
No, there aren't.
Tape script 4.4. Prepositions. 1.
The flat's in Queen's Road.
2.
It's on the 1st floor.
3.
It's above a chemist's.
4.
The chemist's is next to a clothes shop.
5.
There's a mobile phone shop opposite the clothes shop.
6.
There's a post office near the flat.
7.
The bus stop is outside the cafe.
8.
There's a bench under a tree.
Tape script 4.5.
The flat's near the centre of town. It has 4 bedrooms, a lovely living room with views over the town, and 2 bathrooms. The kitchen is very big, and there's a dining room next to it. The flat's on the 2nd floor. In the living room, there are 2 sofas and an armchair. There are a lot of pictures on the wall. There's a carpet in front of the fire, and there's a TV and a DVD player. There's a table in front of the sofa.
Tape script 4.6. A new flat. 1.
She has some plates.
2.
She has a lot of clothes.
3.
She doesn't have any glasses.
4.
She has some pictures.
5.
She has a lot of CDs.
6.
She doesn't have any mugs.
7.
She has a lot of shoes.
8.
She doesn't have any towels.
9.
She has some cups.
Script 4.7. This, that, these, those. 1,
How much is this lamp, please?
It's £45.
2,
I like that picture.
Yes, it's lovely.
3,
How much are these glasses?
They're £15.
4,
I love those towels.
They're fabulous.
5,
Look at those flowers.
They're beautiful.
6,
Do you like this kettle?
Yeah, it's a great colour.
7,
How much are these mugs?
£5 each.
8,
Look at that coat.
You don't need any more clothes.
Tape script 4.8. What's in your bag?
What's in my bag? Well, there's my phone and my purse, of course. I have some pens. I always have some pens, a blue one and a red one. And there's my diary. I need to know what appointments I have. And I have a lipstick. Oh, and keys. I have some keys. My house keys and my car keys. And that's all.
Tape script 4.9. Describing your home. My new flat.
My new flat is near the centre of town, so I often walk to work. It's not very big, but it's very comfortable. There's just one bedroom, a living room, and quite a big kitchen with a table in the centre. This is good because I love cooking and I can invite my friends to dinner. The living room has one big window. It faces south, so it's always very sunny. I have 2 comfortable old armchairs, but I don't have a sofa because the room is quite small. There isn't a garden, but there's a small balcony in my bedroom. I want to put a chair there so I can sit in the sun on summer evenings. I love my new flat for many reasons. The big kitchen, the sunny living room, but most of all, I love it because it's my first home.
Tape script 4.10.
It's wonderful. They're awful. She's fantastic.
Tape script 4.11. 1,
Do you know Alice has a new boyfriend?
Really? Is he okay?
He's lovely.
Oh, what's his name?
James.
Good for Alice.
2,
Ben has a new flat
Wow, where is it?
in the centre of town.
Is it nice?
Oh, yes, it's fantastic. The living room is fabulous.
3,
What a horrible day.
Yes, it is. Rain, rain, rain. It's terrible weather at the moment.
Oh, well, tomorrow's another day.
4,
This is an excellent meal.
Thank you. I'm pleased you like it.
And the wine is wonderful. Where is it from?
I think it's French. Yes, it is. French.
5,
I love your shoes. They're great.
They're nice, aren't they? They're Italian.
The colour's amazing. Red. Wow.
6.
We have a new teacher. Her name's Nancy.
Is she nice?
No, she's awful. I hate her.
Why?
I don't understand her. She talks and talks and talks all the time.
Tape script 4.12. 1.
Look at Angela's car. It's a Mercedes.
Wow, they're really expensive. Is it fast?
Very fast.
2.
Does Tom have a lot of money?
Well, he has a really beautiful house with a very big garden and a swimming pool.
He's very rich, isn't he?
3.
Do you like my new jeans?
Yeah, they're really nice. What make are they?
They're Prada.
How much were they?
They weren't expensive. Well, not very expensive.
4.
Look, that's Peter's new girlfriend.
She's pretty. How old is she?
28.
Wow, that's old.
28? That isn't very old.
5.
Maria's very clever, isn't she?
Oh, yes. She's really intelligent. She knows everything.
Do you like her?
No, not really. She isn't very nice to talk to.
No, I don't like her either.
Script 4.13.
8. 10. 12. 15.
20. 32. 45. 60.
76. 99. 187. 250.
300. 1,000. 1,000,000.
Tape script 4.14.
1.5.
2 1/4.
6.8.
17.5.
020 7481 6490.
07861 56678.
Tape script 4.15. 1.
There are 30 students in my class. 17 boys and 13 girls.
2.
I live at number 62 Station Road. My mobile number is 07629 34480.
3.
My father works in a big hotel. There are 460 rooms on 16 floors.
4.
The population of my town is 280,000.
Tape script 4.16. Numbers and prices. 1.
How much is this book?
£6.50.
2.
How much are these pictures?
£24 each.
3.
I only earn £18,000 a year.
4.
How much is this car?
£9,500.
5.
Just this postcard, please.
That's 60p, please.
6.
Can I have these jeans, please?
Sure, that's $49.
7.
How much is a return ticket from Paris to Madrid?
€150.
8.
There are about $1.4 to the euro.